So let's have a discussion on the question, everyone. And the question is find the expansion of this using the binomial theorem, right? So what is the expansion, everyone? 3x squared minus 2ax plus 3a squared whole cube. This is the expansion. And the final exponent is 3. So n is equals to 3. Now we have to use the binomial theorem, which gives you a formula that is NCR, a raised to the power n minus r and b raised to the power r. Now we need two terms, right? So here there are three terms. So we have to take two terms as one. So I'm taking this and this as one and this one as second term, right? So it will be like 3x squared plus 3a squared minus 2ax raised to the power 3. This is the final question you have made because I want two terms in bracket. Okay, so that we can use the formula. So let's have a discussion on the question. Now let's do it. So n is equals to 3 and r is equals to, we have to take from 0 till n, and that is 3. 0 to 3 I have to take 0, 1, 2, 3. So first term when r is equals to 0. So n, that is 3c0. A, that is 3x squared plus 3a squared raised to the power 3 minus 0, and 2ax raised to the power 0. Then second term, because there is a negative sign between the two terms, so every alternative term is negative. But if there is positive term, then every term is positive, right? So plus, not, sorry, plus, negative. Every second term is negative. So 3c1, 3x squared plus 3a square raised to the power 3 minus 1 and 2 raised to the power 1. That is, we don't have to write 1. Now 3c2, 3x square plus 3a square, right? 3 minus 2 and 2ax raised to the power 2. Then fourth term, we have to take as negative. So 3c3, 3x square plus 3a square, 3 minus 3 and 2ax raised to the power 3. Okay, so these are the terms that we have opened. Now what we have to do? Let's solve it further. So this is the left hand side. So I'm not writing the left hand side. Now 3c0. So how you will open the factorial? That is very, very important. 3c0 is 3 factorial divided by 0 factorial multiply 3 minus 0 factorial. 3 minus 0 is 3. So that is in the numerator also and denominator cancel out. 1 over 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. So 1 over 1 is 1. So 1 multiply this raised to the power 3 minus 0. So I'm writing it as 3. And something raised to the power is 0 is 1 only. Then moving to 3c1. So when it is 1, so it means 1 factorial and 3 minus 1 is 2. So it will be 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So I will write 3 factorial as 3 times 2 factorial. So 2 cancel out and 3 is left. This is not 2. This is 2 factorial, means 2 times 1. Up till 1, we have to open every factorial, right? So minus 3c1 is 3 and raised to power 2. And this as it is. Then 3c3, that is equals to 3c1 only. So 3 into 1, I don't have to write it, and 2ax raised to the power 2. Then next is 3c3, that is equals to 1. So something raised to the power 0 is 1. So I don't have to write it. So I will write the final term, which is 2ax raised to the power 3. Now let's solve it further. So I don't require this one now. So I'm removing it. Okay, so let's move it further. So you know the left hand side, that is equals to, open this cube, a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square, right? Then minus this one. So minus 3 into a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2 into ab and multiply of 2ax, right? Plus 3x square plus 3ax, a square and 2ax whole square. Then last term is 2ax whole cube, that is 2 cube, that is 8a cube x cube. Let's open it. So this will become 3 cube means 27, and x square and cube multiply of the powers, that is 6. Then 27 a raised to the power 6 plus. Now multiply, don't multiply right now. 3x square whole square, that is 9x raised to the power 4. Then 9a raised to the power 4. Wait a minute. Oh, no, I have done a mistake. Wait. This is not. Wait a minute. I have done something wrong here. What I have done? Okay, I have to multiply this one. So 3 multiply 3x square whole square, that is 9x raised to the power 4 and 3a square plus again 3x square and 9a raised to the power 4 minus 3, then open 9x raised to the power 4, 9a raised to the power 4 plus multiply this 2 3 6, 6 3 18, a square x square and 2ax plus then 3 multiply with this bracket, which is 9x square plus 9a square and 2ax whole square, that is 4a square x square. And last term is this one. Okay. Now let's move it further. Let's solve it further. So that is 27x raised to the power 6, 27a raised to the power 6 plus multiply 3, 9, 27, 27, 3 is how much? 81, x raised to the power 4 a square. Similarly, x square a raised to the power 4 because 3, 3, 9 and 9, 9, 81. Then open, multiply 3 with the full bracket. So 27 x raised to the power 4 plus 27 a raised to the power 4 plus 54 a square x square 2ax plus multiply this was 36 square plus 36 a4x square and the last term, right? Now after this, let's solve it further. Calculation is the most important thing. Only calculation is left, nothing left. After doing the whole calculation, we just have to solve the like terms. Other than that, nothing we have to do. So is equals to, these are the terms which do not have any like terms. So I'm writing it as it is, 81. Right now I'm writing this one as it is. Open the bracket, so 2ax multiply with the whole bracket. So 2 multiply with 27, that is 54. So 54 x raised to the power 5 a, because x multiply with x4 and a is left alone. Then minus 54 a raised to the power 5 and x. Then 108 a cube x cube. I think yes, 108 is left only. Nothing else, no? Then plus 36 x4 a square plus 36 a4 x square and minus this. Now this and this, they are like terms because x raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 4 and a square, a square. So these are the like terms. So this as it is, this as it is, sorry, 6. 81 plus 36, that is 117. X raised to the power 4, a raised to the power 4. Same this and this, they are like terms also. So 117, a raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 2. Then this and this, they are also the like terms. So wait a minute, there is a mistake of sign. I think so. First negative, second. First positive, second negative. Positive, fourth negative. Everything is okay. I think I have just changed this sign. I think so. There is a mistake here. Just a second. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is also minus because there is a minus and here we have taken positive. So this is negative. Okay. So minus and minus, which is plus. So it will be 116 a cube x cube. So this is the final result of the expansion. Okay. Please calculate very carefully. Okay, so calculation is very, very important. Signs are very, very important. Other than that, everything is easy. Just you have to focus on everything. Nothing is left, na? Yeah. Two more terms are left, this and this. So that is, take here, minus 54 x5a and minus 54 a raised to 5x. So this is the final calculation of the expansion. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you so much.